Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of the LOUPEDECK Live S. So as you can see, here is the box of the LOUPEDECK Live S. This is how it all looks. It doesn't really have any stickers because it actually came in this box, which has like this little sticker here to close it, and we can see that it has 15 touch sensitive buttons. Yes, they are touch sensitive. They aren't like physical buttons. Then there are four tactile RGB buttons, 2 analog dial with push functions, and native plugins for streaming and creative software. Let's open the box, and this is how the thing here presents. We can see that it's quite sleek, quite thin, as you may notice. It's not too big. I think it's just okay for like, it's just exactly the proper shape that I think it should come in. This is the touch display here. I'm just gonna take off the touch display foil, but I'm not gonna take off the other ones just yet. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now let's get to accessories as well. And in accessories we can see, of course, the cable, which is quite long. I believe it's like 2 or maybe even 3 meters. Then we also get like quick start guide, safety and warranty information, and compliance information, and a stand, so you can place it on a stand, so it's not as flat as it is right now. You may notice that this stand has like 2 little rubber feet, just like the device has 4. So if I put the stand here, then it'll be at a certain fixed angle. You can see that if I tap on things, it doesn't really move, just slightly if I tap on harder, but you'll typically probably just tap like that. Then the USB-C cable comes in here, but I'm not gonna show you the connection. This is the whole unboxing thing, and if you want to learn more about how to connect this device, then feel free to watch a video on our channel on it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.